Unfortunately, one night I was riding home and my chain had snapped. So I lost control of my bike and actually hit into the barrier on the side of the highway, which resulted in me snapping my femur in 2 places and my knee backwards, and obviously being totally unconscious. I woke up 2.5 days later in hospital. Also, being from Joburg, my whole family's in Joburg and everything like that, being in Cape Town, not having anyone here, that was quite an experience. I was in Miscél hospital for a month and a half, whereas they told me I most likely would never come right again. So from the age of 8, I've been riding bikes. My dad's an old-time biker. So I did follow in his path. I rode off-road bikes, and then I went on to downhill mountain biking and BMX, where I actually was sponsored at a young age. It's been a year and a half now. I'm still not able to use my leg for what I want. I can't ride bikes, I can't ride bicycles, I can't do any of the activities that I used to, which has resulted me in buying a nice car and going fast in that way maybe. My name's Tom Pryor. I'm a jewelry manufacturer and I'm a proud owner of this MK5. So I bought this car standard. I got into a group on Facebook where I saw people were talking what these MK5s can actually do. So currently what I've done to the car, I've put stage 2 Revo software. I've got Bilstein B14 coilovers. I got the S3 coil pack, the downpipe. The last time I put it on a dyno, it pushed out 200 kilowatts. But with all this, I've learned to just be more responsible. With saying all these injuries that I have on my leg and losing the ability to do a lot of things, I do still believe that I will get full function in my leg again and be able to do all the things I did before. Maybe not as good as I did before, but I will be able to do them again. And I guess I'm just going to do them more responsibly. I think we all learn from our mistakes. That's why it's called an accident.